If you've been trying to export your Audacity project as an MP3 file, this video is going to make it quick and easy. In the next few moments, I'll show you exactly how to export Audacity files as MP3 so you can save your audio in a format that's simple to share, upload, and use anywhere. This is a great skill whether you're creating podcasts, voiceovers, music, or any other audio project. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. All right, let's jump in. First, make sure your project is open in Audacity and that your audio is ready to export. Once everything looks good, go up to the top left of the screen and click the File menu. This is where Audacity keeps all of its saving and exporting options, so if you want to turn your project into a file that can be used outside of Audacity, this is the place to start. After clicking File, hover over Export Audio. You'll see this option open up more export settings, and this is the step that takes you towards saving your project in a shareable audio format. Clicking or hovering here helps you access the export controls without having to dig through extra menus. Next, look for the Format drop-down menu. This is where you choose what type of file you want Audacity to create. Click the drop-down and select MP3 files. Choosing MP3 is useful because it creates a widely compatible audio file that works on most devices, platforms, and editing tools. It's one of the most common formats for uploading audio online or sending it to someone else. Now you'll see a file name box. Type in the name you want for your exported audio file. It's always a good idea to use a clear, simple file name so you can find it easily later. For example, you might name it something like Interview Final or Podcast Episode 1. Keeping your file names organized saves time, especially when you're working on multiple projects. After that, click the folder icon so you can choose exactly where you want to save the file. This part is important because it helps you stay organized and makes it easier to find your export once it's finished. You can save it to your desktop, downloads folder, or any custom project folder you prefer. Taking a second to choose the right location can save you from searching for the file later. Once the file name and save location are set, you're ready for the final step. Click Export. Audacity will now convert your project into an MP3 file and save it to the folder you selected. Depending on your project size, this may take just a moment. When it's done, your MP3 file will be ready to use, upload, or share. And that's it. You've successfully exported your Audacity file as an MP3. As you can see, the process is really straightforward once you know where to click. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy Audacity and audio editing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.